Hey there, today, we're diving into a topic many people find hard to talk about: compulsive porn use. It's something that affects a lot of people, and while it's not an official diagnosis like other addictions, it can be a real problem for some. In this video, we'll discuss what compulsive porn use is, how it might affect you, and simple steps to help manage or overcome it. Is compulsive porn use really an addiction? First off, it's important to know that porn addiction isn't officially recognized as a diagnosis by the American Psychiatric Association, APA. But some people find that watching porn is something they can't seem to stop, even when it's causing issues in their life. This behavior is often called compulsive, which is similar to an addiction in the way it affects someone's daily habits and life. How porn becomes a habit. Porn has been around for a long time, but the internet has made it super easy to access. Some people may watch it every now and then with no issues, but for others, it becomes a habit they can't control. Easy access can make it tough to stop once it starts to become a problem. In fact, studies show that some behaviors, like internet addiction, can affect the brain in ways that are similar to substance addiction. For some people, watching porn can lead to similar highs and eventually become a habit that feels difficult to break. Signs of compulsive porn use. So, what does a compulsive porn habit look like? Here are some signs to watch out for. Spending more and more time watching porn, even when you don't really want to. Feeling like you need to watch it to feel good or get a fix. Feeling guilty or ashamed after watching. Spending hours on porn, even when it means missing out on other things, like work or sleep. Having trouble enjoying sex without watching porn first. Not being able to stop, even if it's starting to harm relationships or other areas of life. If any of this sounds familiar, don't worry, there are ways to address it. Why does compulsive porn use happen? People start watching porn for many reasons. It could be boredom, loneliness, or stress relief. The problem is that, over time, watching porn becomes something they turn to regularly, even when it starts causing issues. The habit is now tied to the brain's pleasure center, which makes it feel rewarding in the moment but harder to control over time. Can you stop compulsive porn use on your own? If you're finding it tough to manage, there are some things you can try. 1. Remove temptations, delete saved links, bookmarks, or any porn-related files on your devices. 2. Block access. Consider adding filters or ask someone to install anti-porn software on your devices so it's harder to view. 3. Make a plan. Choose other activities to turn to when you feel the urge to watch porn. Write these down to help remind yourself. 4. Keep track of triggers. Notice when you feel the urge most, like when you're stressed or lonely, and try to avoid those situations if you can. 5. Stay accountable. Find a friend or family member you trust and check in with them about your progress. 6. Write about your progress. Keeping a journal can help you notice patterns, setbacks, and what's working to help you stop. When to seek professional help. Sometimes, stopping on your own can be hard. If you're feeling overwhelmed, talking to a mental health professional can help. Therapists can work with you to figure out what's causing the habit and help you find healthier ways to cope. Therapy sessions might include individual, group, or family counseling, depending on your needs. Be cautious with therapists who claim to specialize in porn addiction, as there's no official diagnosis for it. But an experienced therapist can still help you develop tools to handle compulsive behaviors. Other treatment options. For some people, support groups are helpful. Talking with others who understand what you're going through can provide a sense of community and accountability. Ask your doctor or local mental health center for information on support groups that focus on managing compulsive porn use. While talk therapy is usually the best approach, a doctor might suggest medication if there are other mental health conditions involved, like anxiety or depression. If watching porn has become something you can't control, know that you're not alone. Compulsive habits can be tough to break, but with the right steps, support, and sometimes professional help, you can regain control and improve your quality of life. Recognizing the habit and deciding to change is already a big step in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and remember, there's always support available if you need it.